Tired of your Discord camera looking flipped or weird? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to fix that, quick and easy. Step 1. Open Discord on your computer and log in if you haven't already. Click the small gear icon at the bottom left, next to your username. That's the user settings button. In the left sidebar, under app settings, click on voice and video. This is where your camera options live. Look to the right for the video settings section. You should see your camera preview here. If your image looks mirrored or upside down here, don't worry, we'll fix it using your camera's own controls. Step 2. In the video settings section, click the Open Camera Settings or similar button under your camera name. A new camera settings window will pop up. Here, look for options like Flip Horizontal, Mirror Image, or Rotate 90°/180 degree. Turn off any mirror or flip options and adjust rotation until your face is upright and text reads correctly in the preview. Click Apply or OK to save those changes, then check your Discord preview again to confirm it's fixed. If it still looks off, reopen your camera settings and tweak the flip or rotation one more time until everything looks natural. Step 3. Once your preview looks right, you're done. Close settings and enjoy a properly oriented camera on every Discord call.